Yeah?
Why is it spicy?
Parkour! Michael, parkour! I'm gonna be single forever.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle. You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream.
Here's a quick way to get your cat to come over. Tried this on 2 cats.
My dad is mad at me because he was upstairs getting ready for bed and heard what sounded like fireworks. It was actually the sound of my butthole shitting out explosive diarrhea all over the kitchen floor. My dad then had to take a butter knife wrapped in a Clorox wipe and clean my shit out of every crack in the wood floors in the kitchen, and he almost threw up 20 times because it smelled like the rotting corpses of 1,000 ancient mummies.
Alors, un sachet, un chat, tu fais ça. Ma fille.
Tucker, I am so disappointed with you right now. Our next door neighbor, Karen, called and told me that their cat, Princess, is pregnant and you're the father.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
We're going on 4 days, and I still haven't seen these words. You can't run away from your responsibilities. So I do just have one question. Do you take debit?
Unfortunately, Oliver, as you know, your sales have not increased, you know, for this month. So unfortunately, we have decided that we will need to be letting you go.
This behavior is not professional, and I will be calling security. I will be calling security! Ah!
What are you doing, little one? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Come on, let's go inside. It's cold. It's cold. Come on. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll save you. It's okay.
Alright, so update. We caught her. And she is doing much better now. Much better now, huh? Yeah, we're not gonna bite me anymore. Alright, little one.
Oh, she's like, but I like you so much.
Time to go to your forever home.
Say bye.
Oh.
How do you want me to pet your face? Like that? Okay, well show me again so I make sure I know. Just like that, eh? Just right on the chin, a little bit on the cheeks, a little bit on the head. Yeah, and then what? And then the cheeks and the chin again. Okay, I got it. Good. We know. You're crazy.
Hi. You're supposed to be cuddling with me right now, and you're not, and that makes me upsetty spaghetti, and I don't want to be depresso espresso, so you should come cuddlioso.
Right now. Maggie! You're not supposed to be in the catnip like that! Maggie! What? I can't stand it! Maggie! You fucking stoner! Maggie, get out of there! It's not even dry yet! Oh my god! Maggie! Maggie! Maggie, please! Get out of there! No? Okay, fine. Don't get out of there. Maggie! Maggie!